A snowstorm raided Dallas. Dallas, Texas is a famous dry and extremely hot city in the southern United States. It has been difficult to snow for many years. But in mid-February 2021, Dallas encountered a rare blizzard and cold wave. The power grid in Texas was almost paralyzed. 3.3 million people do not have electricity, and 18 million do not have water. Roads were blocked and water pipes ruptured, causing serious disasters. In our doctor's house, there was also a power outage that lasted for more than 10 hours. Natural gas has not been cut off at home, so they lit the fireplace and spent the cold night. On the street opposite our house, because there is a fire station, it is necessary to ensure its power supply. Our region should also be taken care of. Fortunately, there were no power outages or water cuts. In addition, due to the need to prevent epidemics, my daughter has prepared enough food and supplies for us. Our basic lives and daily lives have not been affected. As usual, 3 meals a day. Reduce a small amount of rice, vegetables and soup. The two who turned around are still singing. The older couple is isolated from their families, at home and walks about 3,000 steps at home every day. Watching TV and surfing the internet as usual. Mopping the floor as usual. We have lived in southern cities all our lives, and it rarely snows. But when the blizzard came, we were still very young. On the morning of February 14th, we opened the window and saw that the roof and backyard were covered with snow, which made us feel very fresh after the snowstorm stopped. We immediately went out to enjoy the snow scene and take photos.
Climate change in Dallas is diverse. A blizzard hit suddenly on the 15th. The blizzard stopped snowing on the 18th and suddenly became clear. The ice and snow melted quickly. And the blue sky, white clouds and bright sunshine accelerated the weather. We took off our thick cotton clothes, put on jackets and vests, and carried Bluetooth music players with us. 10 soft sounds. The spring breeze blows our faces. We are intoxicated and elegant. We walked back and forth along the grass in the backyard. We returned to a peaceful and warm day.
However, despite the snowstorm, the infrastructure has not yet fully recovered. Supermarket supplies are tight. Supplies are in short supply and life is still difficult. Coupled with the severe epidemic, people are still living in fear. I hope I can overcome the difficulties as much as possible and return to normal life. February 22, 2021. Dallas, USA.